Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me back here at Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Arthur. So I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to sketch everything out with my pencil first, and then I can go over my lines with a black marker. After that, I can erase all of my pencil marks, and then of course I can add color. So before we get started on our picture of Arthur, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe, because all of that really helps out the channel a lot and I really appreciate it when you do. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna start drawing Arthur. Well, I'm gonna start with his glasses. So I'm gonna do an oval. And then another oval outside of that. And then I can do two little lines here, and then another oval, and another one inside that one. Now we can do a little dark circle inside both of those, and do a little line up above each of those ovals for his eyebrows. And now we're going to do a line going down slanted this way, and we can curve the end of it. All right, so next we're going to do the top of his head. I'm going to curve up like that and give him his little ear. And then the shape inside his little ear is like a raindrop upside down. See, it's kind of like a raindrop. So now we can come on down on this side. Oh, and you know what? I made this part here a little bit too short, so I'm going to take my eraser and erase that and make it a little bit longer so that his head can come down right here and the glasses can be curved right here so that it fits properly on his head. All right, and now he needs his other ear, and we're going to do the same kind of upside down tear shape, upside down raindrop shape, like that. And now the rest of his face, we're curving like this and connecting it to right there, and we can give him a little smile. And two little nostrils. All right, and we can give him a little V shape right here. It's going to be part of his neck. And then we're going to come on down and come on up and slant this way. And now we're going to go slanted this way. So we're almost making the shape of an M. See? An M. And then we can come on up. And it kind of, this collar, this is the shirt collar, kind of starts to go behind his neck there. So now we can come down a little bit and do his sweater. So draw it downwards a little bit, and then we can go across. But now let's work on his shoulders before we do any more of the sweater down here. So we're going downwards a little and making an arm here. We got a little bit of a curve, a little bend here for an elbow. And then we're going to curve this way. And then we're going to come on back up. And we can give a few little wrinkles in the fabric. Kind of helps our illustration to not look so stiff. And And now let's see, over here, of course he needs his other arm. And come down a little bit. Okay, and we're going to try to make both of these arms around the same length. So we're going to curve right here and then come on up. And right here we can do like a little cuff for his sweater sleeve. And over here we can do the same. And come on up. All right, so now his sweater needs a little bottom cuff as well. And now let's give him a hand. So I'm working on his thumb right here. Now the rest of his fingers are going to be a bit longer than his thumb. So here's one finger. And then we can curve the other ones and they're kind of in behind this first finger. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here, we can do the same. We can start with our thumb. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and now we can start on his jeans and come on down. And here in the middle, we're going to come down a little further and slant this way for the part of the jeans, the front part, the fly. And we can do a little line like this for one of the pockets. And now the other side of the leg with this line. And then right here, we can start to see a little line from where his other pocket would be, but it's being covered up by his hand. All right, so right here, we also need a line like this, kind of like a V shape. So we forgot, well, I forgot to add that in earlier. This is the cuff part on the top of his collar. So now we can do little curved lines around that cuff and around all the other ones too. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go over my pencil lines with a black marker, erase my lines, and then add some color. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Arthur. So let me know in the comments how you think it turned out, and also let me know in the comments what you would like to see next on this channel. So everyone, I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here again tomorrow for the very next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, goodbye.